Welcome back, flavor seekers. Today we're diving into the rich and diverse world of sauces from northern China. If you thought the southern China sauces were mind-blowing, get ready for a whole new level of culinary exploration. The first sauce today originated from Beijing. 二八酱 literally means 2-8 sauce. It's a sesame paste commonly used as a dip in hot pot meals. The number 2, 8 represents 80% of sesame sauces and 20% of peanut sauces. The combination of these ingredients creates a rich and nutty flavor that enhances the taste of various ingredients when dipped. It adds a creamy and an aromatic element to the hot pot experience, making it the taste of nostalgia to people from Beijing. Next up, 老干妈 Old Godmother sauce from Guizhou province. It's a brand of spicy chili crisp hot sauce. It has gained immense popularity not only in China but also worldwide and stands out from all the other chili sauce brands. It's known for its rich, spicy, and slightly numbing flavor profile. Its founder, Mrs. Tao, strayed from an illiterate widow who ran a food truck to a chili queen. One of the richest women in China, she represents the Chinese dream. Moving on, 山西老陈醋 mature vinegar from Shanxi province. It's made from fermented sorghum, peas, barley, and sometimes other grains. The vinegar is aged for an extended period, usually several years, which gives a deep, complex flavor profile. The vinegar is often used as a condiment or dipping sauce for various dishes, such as dumplings, noodles, and mixed with cold appetizers. 甜面酱 sweet bean sauce, a thick, dark brown Chinese sauce made from wheat flour, sugar, salt, 馒头, and fermented yellow soybeans. It's commonly used in Shandong and Beijing regions. It can be found in classic dishes like 炸酱面, noodles with minced pork sauce, and 北京烤鸭, Peking duck. So, how many of these northern Chinese sauces have you tried? Let me know in the comment below. Until our next adventures, goodbye!